Hey, what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It is Power Hour. I'm kind of upset. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. I fucked up big time. I bought the low of day and I sold too early. Oh, it hurts. It absolutely hurts. It's painful. Absolutely painful, my friends. Lordy, lordy. Right now, the NASDAQ pushing up here. We got that pivot point back in play there at the 640s. Hey, you told me earlier it's better to take profit. Hey, don't do as I say, do as I don't do. Or something like that. Just do it differently, baby. Lee Ryan Dickinson made some money last night. Make some back before work. All right, all right. A little bit of profit a day. Don't hurt nobody. If you know what I mean. Yeah, the Dow is absolutely something else right now. I kind of want to trade the Dow just to try it out. Maybe do an evaluation. What do you think? I think it might be a good idea, actually. Is Power Hour every day? Well, basically 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock is Power Hour. We just call it Power Hour. It's not, you know, an actual term or anything, but yeah, Power Hour. Power Hour. Power Hour. What y'all think about that? Power Hour. Right now, looking at the Dow here, this range today. Oh my lord! It kind of did a similar move the other day, but this today was just talk about a mountain, peak to mountain. I don't know what you call that exactly. What is it? So how many, so for every dollar in the Dow, how much is that value in, from the contract? If you buy one contract, one mini Dow, YM, how much is the move? $5 for every dollar? Kind of nice. $5 for every dollar. Okay. Bow, 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 bow. All right, we're gonna trade the Dow this afternoon for shits and giggles for Power Hour, I guess. Keep an eye on the NASDAQ always, but let's see what happens here. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, the Dow, YM. Do the NASDAQ, they say. Don't do the Dow. We'll do a poll. What should we do? What should we trade? NQ, ES, YM. Let's see, the poll is live. You guys are so greedy. Wow. I guess we're trading the NASDAQ 70%. Want the NASDAQ? Wow. You guys are clearly, you want the NASDAQ. All right, we'll stay with the NASDAQ. Watching here on the 1 minute chart on the NASDAQ. If you look at the 15-minute chart, definitely looks a lot more bearish. The idea of kind of this break into the downside once again, following the pattern overall. If we look at the 1 hour chart, it does look like it's rounding. Kind of pushing back up. We got the VWAP up there at the 706s. So the 15-minute chart and the hourly chart not really lining up perfectly. I think the hourly chart is going to take over here. We bounced off this 620 area. So if we look at the book map, we've got 60s there on the book map right now. 200 contracts, 215 contracts sitting there. So let's see what happens here. We had a really nice move end of day yesterday, 350. That 350 algorithm going off yesterday. So looking to see if we get a similar move today. So being patient. We know the VWAPs up there are the 702s. And right now, kind of the key level for the bull is going to be the 60 area to hold. We hold the 60 area, see what happens from there. I'd be kind of liking a little bit more pullback on this. Maybe a fake out to the downside would be nice, you know? If we get another one of these kind of thing. I don't know. Like one of these. That would be maybe nicer. Back to the pivot point one more time. That would be like, I think, the greedy entry. The patient entry. The smarter entry. Right now, this looks like it wants to roll over, so we'll see how this plays. Will it squeeze? 5 minute chart just consolidating right below the 70s there. That Red Bull tastes so good. Hi, Patrick. Apex no longer 1 day pass. How much can you earn 1 day? You can earn as much as you want in 1 day. There's no consistency rule or anything for the evaluations. It's hard to go long right here because it's just sitting right beneath all this, so trying to be patient. I'm not like in love with this setup right now, so ugh. I kind of feel like it wants to go, but I just don't like how it's not just pop it up there. Is Apex healthy? Yes. They're working. They closed down the Discord for now because they're trying to hire some new Discord people. Before, the people that were working in the Discord were like volunteers and like just kind of members of the community and stuff. So they want to take it, kind of clean it up, make it a little bit more serious. There's been a lot of, you know, people they go in Discord and just cause a bunch of issues and drama. So I know they're working on it. All right, NASDAQ trying to push up here. This 80 area key level to get through. Just grinding higher here. I had a long earlier off of the fucking 20s. Sold way too early. Sold way too early. Hey, where's the McLaren at? It's on my shirt. Look at that shirt. Onlyprofirms.com. Hey, bro, what's app? What app is this? Tradeovate, bro. On the book map right now. Much liquidity at the 660s. Man, there's what I was afraid of, that pullback like that for now. Just got to be patient, wait for that 350 algorithm possibly. Maybe a little earlier, but just give it a little bit more time into power hour here. We're just heating up. It's 3:15. We got more time to go. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. I don't ask for your credit card. I just ask for your love. You know, I'm just here for your love. And also use the code PW. Danielle D, short for the end of day. Ooh, Danielle's getting spicy. Danielle's getting spicy. What do I talk about? Liquidity. Liquidity basically means areas of orders. There's liquidity. There's something to buy, sell in those areas, right? So right now we got a bunch of buy orders sitting down here at the 660s. That means that somebody wants to interact with the market. They want to get in, but they got a limit order waiting to get filled. So that 660 area, what I personally believe, a lot of people believe with the book map, with liquidity in general, is the market is obviously looking to buy and to sell, looking for buyers and sellers. The market is just facilitating trades. The market doesn't care, you know, what your opinion is. The market just facilitates trades. So the more areas of liquidity, areas where there's a lot of buyers sitting at or sellers, the market normally will kind of move in that direction, searching for buyers and sellers. Ismail, since I finally hit the threshold, taking $2,000 payout would leave only $500 in drawdown. I guess it really just comes down to, do you believe that you can continue making money, or do you think it's a good time to pull out and trade with smaller drawdown? It's really do you need the money also, you know? Really, it's hard to say. You could take 1,000 out, leave 1,500, trade small. You trying to grow it, or you want to make $2,000 basically? Bro, what kind of trading is this? We're trading the NASDAQ, trading futures right now. That's right. That's right. We're trading monsters up here in the hot seats of Florida. I would like to see some type of like manipulation down here. I just feel like if we get some nice manipulation on the downside, we get that brought right back up, then we're going to be pretty good for end of day to get that push. Gives me confidence. Lets me believe. Lets me see that there's some people else out there with the same idea as me. You got a lot of stuff going on in this area, that 80 area. Right up there, 85s. You got the VWAP up there. You got the pivot point. Definitely a lot of headwinds ahead. Headwinds ahead. Choppy waters ahead. But, like I said, looking at the hourly chart right now, kind of believe in a possible pushback up maybe to that 700 level one more time. 720 area. Kind of retest up into there. Thinking about the hourly kind of like this, maybe. So. Kind of watching 640 area being a key level. 640 here on the hourly chart right now. Which is also right there with that pivot point there. Patrick, do you normally trade in the afternoon? No, not normally. But just doing it this week because I'm leaving on Thursday for Hawaii. That's right. Hawaii. Hello, 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 hello. Ha. Hello, ha, 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 ha. Ooh, dee 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 doo 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 doo. Ooh, dee 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 doo. Jeff's going to Vegas. Uh-oh, you know what they say about Vegas? What happens in Vegas doesn't stay in Vegas. It always gets leaked out. Someone finds out. So be careful. Tref's been to all 48 states. The only one you haven't been through is Alaska and Hawaii. Have you even lived? If you haven't been to Hawaii, have you even lived? Oh, man. Why are there short squeezes sometimes and not other times? Well, it really just comes down to the setup. The setup, you know, more than anything. So they're selling this back into that area of liquidity we saw there earlier. Doesn't look like it was actually executed. It looks like they pulled it before the market actually filled them. So, or maybe, yeah, it might have filled them. So we'll see if this is going to bounce us back up here after that 660 area got filled. Ba-da-ba-bum-bum-bum. NASDAQ trying to break down here. Kind of broke that trend line there for now. Let's see if we get this pullback into this pivot point now. What I would love to see for a long here end of day is well, I guess more so, maybe not that. It's kind of looking like that though. If it'd have to go down and then like that, maybe. We need some manipulation here, end of day kind of set up. Something to react to push through all this resistance. So if we can get that dip and then the quick rip back up, we know that the people are, you know, buying this and we're trying to push it up. just hate that range on that 1 hour candle right there. That range. If the 1 hour candle was like right here, closed, and it didn't dip down into here, then I feel like you could be more bearish here. But the fact that we keep pushing off there on the hourly chart, the last 3 hours, we've bounced off that level. It's hard to get short right here. Know what I mean? It's hard. Working on the driving simulator. Oh, baby. Looking pretty good over there. I am ready to race. All right, so I guess, you know, really we just want the bulls to keep this above the 40s for now. The 30-minute chart makes you less bullish. Yeah. But I don't know, man. The hourly chart, I believe, is king. Bro, NQ is so easy. Okay, what should I do? Trade flow trading? You tell me and I'll do it right now. Short or long? Come on. Tell me what to do. It's so easy. No. I want trade flow trading to tell me. It doesn't even tell me. All right, we'll do a poll. Long or short? I'll go long in an eval and see if the chat's right here. Starting the poll, let me know. We got to get 300 likes here on the stream. First off, get 300 likes, Ice. I will place the trade. Help me do it now. Help me. All right. The poll, 62% long, 38% short. Well, I guess it's time. How are we going 5 contracts long? How many contracts? 25. 1, 2. We're in for 5. Oh, Lord. Lordy. All right, chat. Don't fail me now. Chat. Where do we take profit? At the VWAP, 20,700. Or hold it. We'll say VWAP or higher. VWAP's at 702. $4 p.m. Let it run. All right. Where do I take profit at? 70% said the VWAP deal. VWAP right now at the 703s. order is placed. You know how we do it. Jimmy no stops. Jimmy no stops. For a 1-day pass, I need all I need is perfect. Right here. 95s. Oh God. Chad told him to get long. Let's see if it works out here. Nasdaq trying to hold here at the 60s for now. The chat's turning on itself now. The chat's turning on itself. Oh, relax, everybody. Relax. It's all good. We're gonna be all right. I'm confident in the chat. I'm confident in the chat. Oh, God. I mean, as long as we stay above the 40 level, I think we're all right here. We basically we get stopped out at like 30. So. Doesn't the eval have daily limits? No. No daily limits on the evals for Apex. Oh, chat. What'd you do this to me for? Looking at the book map right now. Kind of a mixed field of emotions here. Nothing really out of the ordinary in terms of size or anything. Still respecting that 60 area for now. If they can spring pad off this level right here, we might be okay, fam. We might be all right. 75's on the book map up there. If you look at the 2-minute chart right now, it doesn't look terrible for a push up here, to be honest. Come on, chat! Come on, chat! Oh, sorry. When you enter a trade, share the screen. I'm entered the trade, Adam. This is not my trade. This is a chat's trade. So I don't know if you should enter the same trade as me. It's going, baby! We're back in business, baby! We're back into business, baby! Boo, 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 boo! And now if it goes back down, then I'm just like, sad again. I don't know. I don't want to get too excited here. I can finally buy the Lambo that I've always wanted. I actually thought about maybe getting a Aventador. Aventador. Aventador! Maybe, the problem is, now I need a bigger, I gotta get a bigger garage. I don't have a big enough fucking garage, man. I need a bigger house, a bigger garage. I really just need like an office. I talked about this before, but it's not as easy as you think. I've looked at it, a lot of different properties, and it's just, it's not like the easiest setup. I want like a industrial warehouse type setup where I can set up a studio, have the cars, have like a little workshop and stuff. But it's just not that easy to find. NASDAQ staying alive for now, back up there to the 70s. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Still just stuck there. We're gonna be pushing into that 350 algorithm pretty soon here. We got about 13 minutes. 13 minutes till the 350 algorithm kicks in. Turn the Lambo on, Patrick. Then you want to kill me from the carbon monoxide? If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. We got 271 likes. We could do better than that. Come on now. Come on now. Nicole Davis, what is the 350 algorithm? Well, Nicole Davis, the 350 algorithm basically is that at the end of the day, there's market on close orders. And what this does is it creates, some volatility in the market. Right here you can see. Market on close is a stock that orders, market MOC orders are not subject to a limit on are executed as closed. For example, on the New York Stock Exchange, MOC orders must have been received by 350, while on NASDAQ, they must be received by 355. So you get 350 and you get the 355 algorithm kicking in there. So just a little bit of fun knowledge for you. We're out here just sharing the wealth of knowledge. Right now, the NASDAQ trying to hold up here. The chat told me if I didn't get long, they wouldn't watch me anymore. So, well, I got long. They peer pressured me. I don't know if I agree with it, but we're in the trade either way. We're going down with the ship or we're winning with the ship. Something like that. Right now, just going sideways here. We got 5 contracts long. Looking for a push back up there to the 20,700s for a little one-day passer. Boom! He shoots. He scores. He scores. Like that, like that, like that. As you can see here on the book map right now, we got the 680s up there. There's really nothing like out of the ordinary right now. Earlier, we saw some very large orders doing all kinds of crazy stuff on the book map, I feel like, or on the book in general. Not that it's the book map, but it's wild. We have not moved. $350 should get a move here. Should get a move here. This thing looks like it wants to go. Let's go, chat. Come on, right here. The #1 day trader with the #1 chat. Why would you watch anybody else when you can come here and watch me and make me get rich? On the 15-minute chart, by the way. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. We gotta do it. Let's show the haters. Let's show them what's up. All the bears. Let's get them bears. We going bear hunting today, boys. Pew, 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 pew. Don't get too hyped up. Don't get too hyped up, Patrick. Relax, relax. Don't count your eggs before they. Don't count your hens or your hens before they hatch, or your chickens. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. It's looking good though. Obviously nice that we pushed to the upside there. The blue line is where I'm long from. Correcto. Target 95s to the upside there. End of day. Power hour coming up here in 8 minutes. The power hour algo. You've heard it first right here on the Patrick Wieland Network. Patrick Wieland TV, the #1 TV out there on the internet. We're live TV, you know, television on the internet. That's me, Patrick TV. It's a one-man fucking TV channel around here, boys. One-man TV channel with your host Patrick Wieland. We're here for Power Hour, the greatest hour of the day. They don't call it Power Hour for nothing. Right now, the chat's got me long from the 64.75s, 5 contracts. Are you gonna pass your evaluation in one trade? Well, if it goes to the 95s, we will. If we don't go to the 95s, we probably not gonna pass it. Are you planning on tracking the STO? Let me ask it. Hey, you wanna go to the track? Oh, she wants to go to the track. Don't you worry about that. We gonna go to the track. Amen, brother. I feel bad for anybody that faded the chat right now. What if the chat was actually right and it does go up here today? Everyone in the chat was like, time to go short. I'm like, ugh. I don't know, man. The way this market's been trading lately, it's hard to be a short. I didn't know you were like Rip trading these combines. Well, it was kind of like if you asked the people in the chat if they wanted to do it. I'm already up big on the day in all of my actual funded accounts, so just doing it for fun. Little entertainment here for the power hour. If there is a sudden movement, like into a direction, how do you enter quickly? Market or limit or what? I don't know. Market order, yeah. Just buy market, sell market. Oh lordy. I don't like this reversal here. Got 5 minutes till the 350 algorithm. We gotta stay alive. Just stay alive, baby. 350 algorithm, we're gonna be good. Staying alive. We gotta just keep this alive a little longer. I'm moving to Florida for 2 months. Let's go fishing. It would be lit. Oh. It would be lit. Maybe. It could also be really weird. Market just continuing to kind of hold here at the 60s. Will the buyers run this up to the VWAP here end of day? Yesterday, I felt a little bit more confident in predicting the move. Today, for some reason, I'm not as confident. We're holding on, though. Did you sell your other Raptor in Hawaii? Yes. Where do you place your stops? For this trade, we're gonna have no stop for this trade because it's gonna go right to the profit target here at 350. There will be no stops needed for this trade because we will go straight to our target. And that's not financial advice by any means. I'm a degenerate, okay? I'm degenerate, so don't follow me. Jake, I watch other streamers, and I don't know why these dudes talk so much shit about you when you win way more than any of them. Jake, it's simple. I'm better looking, I'm smarter, I'm funnier, I made more money, I have a Lambo. What do they got? Nothing. Losers. They're coaches. I'm like LeBron James. I shoot, I score. These other idiots, they're coaches that no one is ever going to remember. They're like dust in the wind. I've been here for 7 years. You simply do not stay on the top for 7 years if you don't got it. Guess what? I got it. These other idiots, they're just dust in the wind. Do you ever freshwater fish in Florida? Not really. I don't like catching little fish. I like catching big fish. But honestly though, I've been on YouTube now for 7 years. I've seen a lot of idiots come and go. A lot of these idiots that talk about me, they'll burn out, they'll get tired of it, whatever it is, like they won't grow. They'll get to a level where they just stop growing and then they'll be just losers forever like they always have been. So it's all good. Let them talk about me because that's all they got to talk about. When I talk about them, it's funny because they're idiots and like, you know, I'm obviously just the the better trader. Big fish, big trades, big biceps. Woo-hoo-hoo. I paid a guy $1,000 on Twitter to come beat my ass. He wouldn't even come. I said, hey, here's $1,000. Come teach me a lesson, Mr. Badass. He never even came. What a joke. Here we go, 350 algorithm. We got to go right to the 95s here. Let's go ahead and put it on the board. Winning with Patrick. Winning, winning, winning. Oh, lordy lord. Oh, lordy lord. Get through the 80s right here. Get it on through there, Billy. Oh, we got a big buyer coming here at 80s. Big buyer coming in. They want this action. They heard Patrick was live on YouTube. They want to go to the moon with me, baby. Come back, big buyer. There, he's back. He's pushing it again. Trying to hold that 80 level now. Big buys, big buys. Let's get it. Just need a 95 push. That's all we need, baby. Just a 95ers. We can survive us on 95ers. 80s holding here beautifully. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Give me some more push. We got 46 contracts sitting down there at the 75s. Uh-oh. Need a ramp here. Seller is trying to come in there again at the 80s now. See it on the book map here. If we can take out, we gotta absorb those there, they're gone. Now let's see if we can turn it back up. Turn it back up through them. Get on through the 80s again, boys. Right on through the 80s here. Still long from the 64s here. 5 contracts, looking for this push up to the 95s. VWAP to the upside there is what we're looking at. 355 should get a little bit more reaction time. More reaction, more volume here at 355. Danielle is cursing my trade right now. Wow, Danielle. Danielle said to go low, so I'm gonna go short. I mean, I'm gonna go buy 5 more. Let's see if the chat can continue being right. Gotta take out this 80 level here. Come on! Oh, you little fucker. It was so close to breaking out there through the 80s. $350 algorithm, 355 algorithm kicking in here in 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Should get one last move here. One last move. Big seller at the 80s. We get through the 80s here. Come on. They're fucking with me. 355, 2, 1. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna buy this dip one more time. Oh, no, I'm maxed out. I'm at 10 contracts. Still holding above the 70s here. Can we get the push? End of day. It's been a fun ride either way, my friends. Been a fun ride either way. Oh, Lord. No VWAP today, boys. And there it is. That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote today. But do not fear, because there is still greatness near. Locking in $600 in 10 Apex 50K accounts today from earlier this morning. Still holding on to that. Also trading in my funded take profit trader accounts here as well. So it is what it is. If you would have taken your 10 points, you're right. I would have done it. Joe Black, I'm looking for information about Rips. He owes me money. What kind of money does he owe you? BP, share your strategy with us. Bro, you ask that question every day. God. Every day. NASDAQ right back up there to the 80s. Oh, you son of a gun. You son of a gun. Look at that push now. Now it's going to go up to the 90s. Now it's gonna squeeze. Oh, Lord. Lordy, Lordy. It would have been a beautiful thing. It would have been so beautiful. We were so close. So close. Oh, Lord. Now it's back up above my second entry. I guess if I'd never taken the second entry, I would have been all right, but got a little hot-handed there. A little hot-handed there, boys. Well, I guess the bulls win. So the NASDAQ back up there to the 80s. And holding here in today. Tomorrow, another day, Wild Wednesdays. We're back here live, 9 a.m. So I will see y'all later. If you haven't already hit that like button, do me a big favor. Get 400 likes from the stream. 400 likes? Joe Black, I can't tell if you're kidding or not, but if you really are looking for rips. Oh, you're funny. I know his real name. I know his real name. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Wild Wednesdays. Peace to the Middle East.